مباريات اليوم الأولية ستتضمن 3 جولات كل منها 3
Our star continues to shine. European champion Michael Conlan joining Michael O'Reilly and
المباراة الأولى على الحلبة وزن 49 كيلوغرام.
He's here at these championships and he is into a semi-final, already a bronze medalist. And here comes Vasily Егоров for Russia. What a talent strike rate. And Егоров.
The judges are now displayed on the scoreboard.
He reminded me a little bit of Manny Pacquiao in his lighter days when Pacquiao was a flyweight. So yeah, an exciting boxer and a
to the final. And Егорov beat Gankiag, the Mongolian, top 20.
For Егорov to be the counter-puncher, he's happy to be the one who's leading off.
Sharp counter there from Ladin. And the answer will be forthcoming up on your screen shortly. There was a brief cameo of both their styles, in effect. I thought Ladin did the cleaner work, but the first round and the second round on two of the judges' scorecards going the way of Егоров. The scorecard of Judge C. So Egorov's busy style seems to have given him control of the bout.
Yeah, you say busy style, Alex, because that's what's coming from Ladin. He seems to be forcing the issue a little bit more. He's the one leading
in this bout.
Егорov almost walks forward, just throwing. The thinking out of the bout goes out of the window.
So we saw that with Silyagin, the Russian, last night, didn't we?
Exactly. Silyagin looked a shadow of himself last night, and Ladin isn't far behind that.
To be fair to Егорov, he's a better boxer than he's shown here tonight as well.
Yeah, both will be feeling the same type of thing. And this round, I think there's been more holding and clinching than actual boxing, and that's probably a result of the fatigue.
Егорov always latching his chin onto the chest of Ladin.
Makes it so difficult to score a round like that as well.
It's one of these bouts. It could have been whatever you preferred, and I would think both of these men are feeling the effects of earlier bouts, and I do think that Ladin will, when he goes home and watches a rerun of this bout, if he can bear to look at it for a time being, I think he'll be annoyed with himself that he wasn't able to use a style that had worked so well for him against talented boxers early on in the competition.
Yeah, I think that style would have been perfect to beat Егорov as well, but you wonder, these type of boxers as opposed to maybe the Cuban boxer who's more of a mover, will they feel fatigued more?
Here we go with the decision.
The winner on points from the blue corner, representing
Ladin is disappointed. Russia have a semi-finalist into the final. It's gold or silver for the talented Russian Егоров, and he's on his way to Rio next summer. Vasily Егорov then is the winner of that one. You can understand why Ladin's disappointed. It's a difficult bout to score.
Yeah, it was difficult. You can see the joy on the Russian team there. They knew they were in for a tough contest, and obviously Егорov, has he just booked his ticket to the Olympics?
He has.
So you can see the delight, and I understand completely the feeling of becoming an Olympian. Such a special feeling, so much ahead of you to be going to compete at an Olympic Games. It's a fantastic feeling.
No matter what happens in the final on Thursday, Егоров will go to Rio, courtesy of that medal. It's gold or silver, and we have one further finalist to determine his opponent shortly coming up. It was a tight contest, very, very scrappy, not much in the way of clean shots and scoring.